Hey everybody, today we're going to be unboxing vintage radio. I'm pretty excited about this cologne. I have a bunch here that I've either opened or a bunch on that side, which I can't turn because I'm doing a film right now, as you can tell. But I will be doing unboxing of these different colognes different times. So this is vintage radio. As you can see, it's sealed. I just got it today. I'm pretty excited. Pretty big box. This is supposed to be the 3.4 ounces from the Lattafa family. So it's supposed to represent Lattafa pride. And it looks cool. Yeah, it's the 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters. So I don't really know what to expect, but let's go ahead and unbox it. So unboxing, sealing seems pretty easy. I say that before I actually finish. Well, I just damaged the bottom of the box. Great. Well, that's a shame. So this beautiful box is damaged. Hopefully not the cologne. So this just brings back the resale value if I ever wanted to sell it. But who knows? If I like it, I might keep it. I also find this little holographic sticker there pretty cool. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Hopefully I don't drop it on my foot. Cool, pretty straightforward. This looks kind of cool. Lattafa Pride, so they got their own branding because they're super famous. I don't know how to open this from which angle, but geez, I'm ripping the box over here. I'm not doing a great job. Well, there's a push thing here. This unboxing video isn't going as good as I planned. But let's see. But that's what makes it authentic, right? Because you're opening it with me. Cool. So let me show you. Really, it actually has that Tom Ford look. So where's this Tom Ford? Look, it's a Tom Ford. I guess Tom Ford in reverse. They got the gold lining there, as you can see, with the little symbol. They're both also gold ingrained. The only difference is the Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille is more of a gray box and not damaged, whereas this one is also not damaged, but the box I can't say the same. So let's take a look at it. Opens like this. That's kind of cool. So it's like a lighter, I guess. I don't know how that was like a radio. I guess you open radios like this. I don't know. I haven't used a radio since ever. But let's open this. Don't want to break it. A vanilla looking thing here. It's like an ice cream. So let's put this down for 1 second. It's got a cool story thing and then box like that. Now I always smell the box in one of my reviews to just see how it goes. So let's try it out. It smells a little bit like car seats in a taxi or Uber. A cleaned one. It just got dry cleaned and a slightly smoky like cigarette tobacco smell. So that's the person who was giving me this was smoking. But let's check it out. So it's got this Lattafa card with their insignia, and I guess they're different brands. So the Lattafa family has a lot of colognes. In future videos, I will be doing a review of every single one of these, and hopefully have a top 25 Lattafa house brands or whatever. But that's a story for a different day. So I also, this time around, got prepared. I got my little smell tester here, because last time, I don't know if you've been following the other videos. If you're not, subscribe, comment, and follow. But these, I was basically spraying on the receipt and spraying on my hand, and I was all over the place. It was a mess. But as I'm getting more professional with my followers, I guess we can do more. Anyways, so cool looking thing, totally blank. I guess that's what the classic is. It's got the Lattafa insignia at the top. So let's open it. Comes off, smells, comes off like a swivel. Sweet smell, pretty strong-ish. So let's do the atomizer test. Hopefully I don't spray it on my computer or one of my last videos where the cologne was leaking all over the place. Here we go. I'm actually excited. I feel like this is going to be before I spray it. Smoky, tobacco, older, mature man in a cabin drinking cognac kind of feel and vibe, but I don't know. Let's try it out. Atomizer test. I would do it this way around, but I'm not really a left-handed person, so I got to spray this way. Hopefully, again, it doesn't spray on my computer. But here we go. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Finally. Very fresh. Fresh, vanilla-ish. Very sensual. You notice it's like cozy woods. A little bit of sweetness, like rain, a little warmth to it. Intimate, calm. It's attention-grabbing in a light but not aggressive way. Performance seems solid. I would say it's got a moderate projection for the first couple hours. It's noticeable but not overwhelming. You could tell it goes into smooth skin, sticks around, longevity, probably, I would say, like 4 hours range, depending on your skin chemistry and the climate. This is not a beast mode fragrance. It's more of a mood setter. So it shines in, I would say, cool weather, evenings, relaxed settings. Again, think coffee shops, late night drives, small gatherings, or just sitting around unwinding at home. Comfortable and personal, not flashy or club ready, definitely not. This is for people who enjoy fragrances that are artistic and unconventional. So if you appreciate atmosphere, texture, storytelling, and a scent that is different from the typical fresh and the sweet ones I've done, Polo 67 or Allure Old Sport, I would not say this is really unisex. This is more woody and has a slight composition, again, more on the manly masculine side. Excuse me, it's just not a fragrance, it's a vibe. So overall, very smooth. It brings me back to old types of movies that you see where a person is like driving in a Cadillac, an old one, and just got gel in their hair, driving down the beach, people are walking by, happy, everyone's playing volleyball on the side and a back swing. That's what it kind of feels like. So 1 to 10, I would give it realistically. This is it's a woody tobacco-y smell that I smell. Supposedly it doesn't have any tobacco smell, but I smell woody, earthy, so that kind of it. 1 to 10, 8.5. By the way, the price of this was under $40, so definitely worth it. Smells in the hundreds, so it smells expensive, but you're wearing it for much less. Definitely recommend.